Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to the Children's Message. We're starting a series today for the season of Advent. Recipe for Salvation. What does it look like I'm getting ready to do? I've got my mixer, my mitt, my rolling pin, my cookie cutters. I'm getting ready for some Christmas baking. What's one thing required when you bake? There's lots of waiting. I want to make a big, fluffy loaf of bread. What's the main ingredient? Yeast. I have to wait for my yeast to rise, or as they say in the Great British Baking Show, for it to prove. When my bread finally gets in the oven, I have to wait for it to bake. And even before it goes in the oven, I have to wait for the oven to get hot enough. And then there's these cookies I want to make. I can mix them, but I can't even bake them today. I have to wait for the dough to chill overnight in the fridge before I can even bake them. I'm going to have to wait a long time to get my Christmas baking done. Advent is a time of waiting. We are waiting for Jesus to come. We're waiting for Christmas. We celebrate his birth and we wait for the day when he will come again. But we wait with hope because we know God always keeps his promises. When I bake, the waiting is worth it because I know that I will get to have a fresh cookie from the oven, still warm, a special treat. We know that in waiting for Jesus, our special Savior is born, the one who saves the world and the one who will come again to make all things right. And so we wait with hope. And that's the first candle we light on our Advent wreath. We'll light one candle every week, and when the Advent wreath is filled with light, we'll know that our wait filled with hope is almost done. Christmas is almost here. And so we light one candle for hope, one bright candle for hope. He brings hope to every heart. He comes. He comes. Boys and girls, wait with hope. Something sweet is coming.